It's time to get cooking again. So today we are going to be grilling some marinated pork chops, and we're going to have two different marinades that we are going to be putting our pork chops in. So let's get our ingredients together and get prepared. For our marinated grilled pork chops, we're going to need the following: pork chops, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, dried thyme, dried rosemary, crushed red pepper, honey, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and paprika. So let's get our ingredients prepared. So our first marinade for our pork chops, we are going to be mixing in some olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, minced garlic, thyme, rosemary, and some red pepper flakes. So we're going to give this a good whisk, get this all mixed up together. And this is not only good for pork chops, but you can use it for any other meat you like chicken. And so, all right, and we've got roughly 2 pounds of pork chops. And now we are going to place these into a plastic bag. And as always, we need to make sure that we wash our hands before and after working with raw meat. And then now we are going to take our marinade and submerge it all over our pork chops. Make sure to get everything out. And then we're going to close this up, and we're going to give this a good shake. And we want to make sure that we get the marinade to coat all of the pork chops. Once you've got them evenly coated, make sure to get out all the air out of your bag. And so now this is going to go into the refrigerator, and we're going to let this refrigerate for a good 4 to 6 hours. So let me get cleaned up, and we'll move on to our second batch of pork chops. All right, for our second marinade for our pork chops, we are going to need some olive oil, again, honey, make sure to get all of this one out, some Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and paprika. And then we're going to get everything off our spoon, and we're going to whisk this up to fully combine it. And this one we need to be a little careful with, because I got a feeling this one could turn messy. Yep, there we go. Just about all mixed in. All right, and we've got another 2 pounds of pork chops. So we're gonna set these in our bag. And then we're gonna pour our marinade all over these as well. This out of the way. And then we're gonna seal up our bag, and we're gonna give it a good toss to make sure that we get our marinade all over our pork chops. Then once they're evenly coated, let out some of the air. And then these are going to go into the refrigerator with the other pork chops, and we're gonna let them marinate a good 4 to 6 hours, and then we're gonna come back and start grilling up our pork chops. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so our pork chops have been marinated for about 8 hours. So now we're gonna go ahead and get these on the grill. All right, so we've gotten our grill heated up, and so we're gonna go ahead and add our pork chops. And these aren't going to take but just a few minutes per side because they're not very thick pork chops. All right, so we're going to let these cook for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to flip them over. All right, so these have been going to 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and flip them over. Oops, he's getting a little burn. Move him over a little bit. Alright, so we're going to let these go another couple of minutes, and then we're going to pull them off. Alright, so we're ready to pull these off. Have a look. Yes. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the grill. Alright, so now we're going to get inside and we're going to get these all plated up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this plated up. We're going to get us one of our herb and garlic and one of our other pork chops. We're gonna get us a scoop of some potatoes. And then we're gonna get us some gravy. And there we go. So I hope everyone's enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be nice and be kind. It doesn't hurt, and it also may make somebody's day. So enjoy cooking in the kitchen.